Where are the hidden scenic gems of Skaneateles Lake, and why? Have you ever wondered where to find the hidden scenic gems of Skaneateles Lake in New York? This beautiful area, part of the Finger Lakes region, is filled with stunning spots waiting to be discovered. Let's take a closer look at some of these treasures. First up is the Bahar Preserve. This 53-acre forested area is just outside the village of Skaneateles. It features peaceful hiking trails that wind through mature woodlands. A highlight here is a 100-foot waterfall that offers a serene escape for nature lovers. Next, you can visit Carpenter Falls. This picturesque waterfall requires a short hike to reach, but the journey is worth it. The fall is especially beautiful in autumn when the leaves turn vibrant colors, creating a stunning backdrop. For those interested in wildlife, the High Vista Nature Preserve and High Hickory Wildlife Sanctuary are must-see spots. These protected areas have walking trails where you can observe local plants and animals. Ripley Hill Nature Preserve is another great option, offering elevated views and forested paths. If you prefer to stay closer to the water, smaller parks like Clift Park and Thayer Park provide lovely waterfront views. However, for a unique experience, consider taking a boat tour around the lake. The historic mailboat cruise is a fun way to see the shoreline and charming summer cottages that are only accessible by water. Keep in mind that the Barbara S. Wiles mailboat will be under maintenance in 2025, so check for updates. In the village of Skaneateles, you can also discover the Charlie Major Nature Trail. This trail connects to local distilleries and breweries, offering a delightful mix of scenic walking and cultural experiences. For swimming, the lake's clear waters are available at designated spots. However, if you seek a quieter experience, look for less crowded swimming holes along the shore. These hidden areas are perfect for those wanting to relax in a natural setting. The hidden gems around Skaneateles Lake showcase the natural beauty of New York State and offer a variety of activities. From hiking and wildlife watching to enjoying the water and local culture, there is something for everyone. So, next time you are in the Finger Lakes region, make sure to seek out these scenic treasures.